Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change age on Flo App. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flo application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where exactly can you find the Flo app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flo app and follow through with the on-screen prompt to download the app. After downloading the app, it's going to take you right into the sign-in window. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flo app. So now that we're here, let's really hop into today's stats, and that is how to change age on Flo app. Now, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your avatar icon. So click on the avatar icon. Now it takes you to this window where you have graphs and reports, you have cycle and ovulation, you have settings, you have access code, you have reminders, and you have help. So you can go ahead and click on edit info. So go ahead and click on privacy settings and click on change account details. Now here you have under manage accounts, how do I change my age in the app? Click on that. Now when you create an account in Flo, you select your year of birth. After the account is created, your age isn't visible in the profile. If you've chosen the wrong year, please tap the contact us button at the bottom of the page and send your request to our support team. We'll be happy to change the age in your account on our site. So through the way down, you're going to see the contact us button. Now click on this contact us button. It's going to take you right here. How can we help? Click on I need help with something else and enter your email address here. What's your query about? Let them know that you want to change your age. So after telling them that, the next way you have, can give us more details. Just let them know that you chose a wrong age and you want it to be changed, and click on submit, and they'll definitely get back to you. So that's pretty much how you can change age on Flo app. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.